CDK is activated by cyclin as well as another important type of enzyme that is called CAK, means CDK activating kinase, play a very important role in the activations of CDK. So this is the structure of CDK. We take an example of CDK2, CDK. Now this orange color denote as T loop. So is a protein T loop that blocks the active site of CDK. So this T loop blocks the active site of CDK. So when cyclin binds with the CDK, this T loop moves out from the active site, but it is called as partially active. When cyclin binds with the CDK, it leads to partial activations of CDK. Now there is another type of enzyme, that is the name of the enzyme CAK, CDK activating kinase. CAK, what is the role of the CAK? CAK phosphorylate at threonine residue on the T loop that leads to a full activation of CDK. So in the first, active site of CDK is blocked by a protein that is T loop. So this is T loop. This T loop blocks the active site of CDK. Now when cyclin binds with CDK, as a result T loop moves out from active site. So when this cyclin binds with the CDK, this T loop moves out from active site, but it does not show full activations. It is partially active CDK. It does not able to phosphorylate other types of proteins. Now when CAK phosphorylate at the threonine residue at the T loop of CDK, leads to fully activations of kinase and activity of CDK. So when CAK phosphorylate at threonine residue of T loop, it shows full activations of CDK. Now this CDK able to phosphorylate other type of protein that are important in cell cycle progression. Now, so cell cycle consists of different type of cyclin and CDK complex. This cyclin CDK complex shows a cyclical changes of inhibitions and activations. Now activations and inhibitions of CDK. There are several types of enzyme that leads to activations of CDK. There are several type of enzyme that leads to inhibitions of CDK. So CDK activating kinase, as we discussed earlier, add phosphate on threonine residue 160 at CDK that is bound with cyclin. So this is a partially active CDK cyclin complex. When CAK phosphorylate at threonine 160, it leads to a fully activations of cyclin CDK complex, and it able to phosphorylate other proteins. Now there is an important type of kinase. The name of the inhibitory kinase V1. V1 is the inhibitory kinase. It inhibits CDK1. CDK1 and cyclin B together forms a MPF complex, maturation promoting factor we discuss later. So MPF, by phosphorylating two amino acid residue. What are the name of the two amino acid residue? Tyrosine 50 residue and 14 threonine. V1 prevent entry of CDK1 in mitosis. So this is active cyclin CDK complex. V1 is the inhibitory kinase that shows a hyperphosphorylation of cyclin CDK complex at tyrosine 15 and threonine 14 residue that leads to a inactive form of cyclin CDK complex. It works on G2M transitions. So the cell which show any damage or it does not fulfill the criteria, so it blocks, the cell blocks in G2 phase and does not enter into the M phase. This protein play a very important role in the blockage of cell cycle progressions in G2. Now CDC25. CDC25. What is the role of CDC25? CDC25 is an activating phosphatase. It removes inhibitory phosphate. CDC25 controls cell cycle at G1-2S phase and G2M phase. So what is the role of the CDC25? CDC25 is the activating phosphatase and it removes the inhibitory phosphate which is attached by V1, and it leads to activation of cyclin CDK complex. CDC25 controls cell cycle at G1-2S phase. So when a cell progresses through G1-2S phase, in this particular phase, CDC25 plays a very important role, and at G2M transition, as in the case of V1. Now CDK inhibitor protein, or you can say that is CKI. So CDK inhibitor protein binds with cyclin CDK complex and changes the structure of active site of CDK, rendering it inactive. So CKI is another type of inhibitory protein that blocks the functions of cyclin CDK complex. So here is the diagram by which you can easily understand. So this is a cyclin CDK complex, active cyclin CDK complex. As you can see, P27 and P21 are the example of CKI. So P27 binds with the cyclin CDK complex. When P27 binds with the cyclin CDK complex, it forms another complex known as P27 cyclin CDK complex. It is an inactive form. So it is when P27 binds with the active form of cyclin CDK complex, it forms another complex, P27 cyclin CDK complex. This is the inactive form of cyclin CDK. So P27 binds with cyclin CDK complex and inhibit enzyme function. P27 destroys the active site of CDK, as well as it also inserts at ATP binding site. CDK enzyme activity is inhibited by these two processes. So what is the role of P27? P27, P21, these are example of CKI, and these types of CKI protein binds with the cyclin CDK complex and blocks the active site. It not only blocks the active site, it also inserts ATP binding site and rendering the CDK cyclin copy in the inactive form. So these are the important enzymes. These are the important enzymes that play a very important role in the cell cycle. If you like the video, please share with your friends. Thank you.